Welcome to RBF. Today guys, we're going to be going over the Dip to Go survival kit. Before we get into that, we have a giveaway going for our super clean degreaser. We have the aerosol version and the basic degreaser, as well as a super cool hat. So if you guys want to get entered for that giveaway, all you have to do is leave a like, comment, make sure you subscribe and share the video. And every video for the last 9 days up until the 20th will give you an enter. So every video you do this on, it'll give you another enter. So good luck to everybody. And further ado, let's get into the video. Here we have the basic either side dish or dip, cheese, ranch, dressing, stuff like that, even coleslaw. And that's what'll go in here and turn into a survival kit. If you want to create a nice water seal or watertight seal, it would not be an issue. Either some Flex Seal, electrical tape, or even duct tape would seal this up very easily. Let's open this up. Right on top, you can see we have our Mylar survival blanket, emergency blanket, rescue blanket, whatever you want to call it. Great for reflecting your heat back at you, shelter making, and just overall survival. I don't like building survival kits without them, in reality. Here we have 1 packet of mustard, give you a little bit of a nutrient boost, as well as 2 packs of vitamin C powder, another way of boost. For cordage, we have some twine, some basic yard twine. We also have a small fishing kit. And you can see we have our hooks, our sinkers, a line, as well as some leads. Here's a water activated towelette, took out of the package just to keep it more compact. Can be used for hygiene, first aid, water filtration, even marking trails. Here's our little survival signal mirror. This comes from Micro Survival Series Star Flash. So it comes from Star Flash. Cool little mirror, great little mirror. The plastic stayed on there way longer than I expected it to. Another cordage, we have some bank line here. This can be used for shelter making or tool making or anything like that. Here we have some cotton balls wrapped up in the trash ties. Great way to start a fire, along with our ferrocerium rod. Just have a basic ferro, as well as a basic striker. You just strike downward with this. I made sure it worked, works really well. Here we have our signal whistle, very basic steel design. Another way of fire starting, we have some matches that we sealed up in some cellophane. The striker right there, opposing side. For water purification, we have some tablets. Navigation, we have our button compass, a trusty button compass, as well as our water containment bag. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would do differently. Thank you guys for watching the video. Good luck in the giveaway, and have a nice day.